Cricket again with another sticker haul, and you are in for it because I have a lot to haul from this company. It is actually mother-daughter companies, and it is DEK Design slash Plan2BeFab. Some is from DEK, some is from Plan2BeFab. I like to do both of them because I PR for both of them at the same time. And my PR code for DEK Design is Cricket20 for 20% off. Plus, you get a foiled freebie when you mention my name. So, now, let's get started because it's going to be a little bit, just FYI. This first set, I'm just going to put these aside right now. This first set, it actually had two in it. The first one was a spring boho kit, and it was an ultimate kit for, it had 9 sheets, and it was Erin Condren, and you got to choose the color, skin, and, you know, the planner. Well, I used it yesterday and did my plan with me. So if you want to see what the spring boho kit looked like, just check out my plan with me, and you will see what it looked like. I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait to do a haul and then get that started in my book. This one right here was the Freebie Friday, and this is La Doche Vita, I think is how you say it. It was a free 5-sheet kit with gold foil when you spent $15. So I bought the spring boho kit and then got this kit for free. And I picked the Erin Condren planner, and I picked the light skin tone. So here are your full boxes. Now keep in mind, this kit was free. Isn't that beautiful? Look how pretty that is. Here is your quarter boxes with your half boxes and the sunflower and the scenes in behind. Your appointment boxes, your sidebar, your habit trackers, and your decorative dots. Then your full ombre check boxes that are also foiled. Your half ombre check boxes, your corner flags, your bow check flags. Again, all foiled. Look at that, how beautiful that is. You're gorgeous, look at these, day covers and bottom washi. That is beautiful. And then washi strips and Boo Bear. And then your large flags, your foiled headers, your icons, and some more icons down here. And that is it. Is that not beautiful? That is so pretty. And I got that for free just by spending $15. Just saying. All right, on to the next one. When you order and they give you they mail you your order, they give you a little bow clip. Now tell me how cute is this little bow clip. Look how adorable that is. For free. Fits perfect in my Hobonichis. That's what I use them for. All right, so the splash kit, 6 sheets for $15 minimum purchase, and I got it in the Erin Condren vertical. So let me show you this one first. These are the full boxes. Look how cute that is. Now we're getting ready to open our pool up, so I wanted to get this. I thought this would be perfect. So here are your full boxes with the silver foil and some quarter boxes. Your half boxes, quarter boxes. Look at these boxes, are beautiful. Sidebar, habit trackers, appointment boxes, and a decorative dots. Your bow ombre checklist, full and half, and your bow checklist and corner flags and bows. Your day covers, your beautiful bottom washi with the foil in it, and some washi strips with foil in it. And then Boo Bear again. Your large flags and your glitter headers with heart icons and deco. And then your headers, to do today, littles, and your food icon, or your food trackers, and your asterisks. So you got that. So I'm going to move these over just a little bit so you can see both of them. So there is that one, and that one again was the freebie. It's still in the shop, and it's called Splash. The next one I got was, this is what I ordered so that I could get this freebie. This one's called Twilight, and it is in the gold foil. Let me see if I can get it here. Okay. This was done in the gold foil, and it says Planner Meetup. Isn't that beautiful? Look at there. So cute. So here are your full boxes with your quarter boxes, your quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar, decorative dots, habit trackers, and appointment. Your ombre checklist, full and half, your 3 bow, your corner flags and bows, and then your day covers. Isn't that beautiful? Look at there. And then your beautiful bottom washi. Look at those bows. And then the bows right here. And Boo Bear. And that one is Twilight. This one I got was Grease Vibes Deluxe Kit, 6 sheets. It was a weekly sticker kit, Erin Condren, and the skin tone was light, and I got it for the vertical. So here are your full boxes. It says Grease Vibes, Travel Often, so bright and cheerful. Your quarter boxes, half boxes, appointment boxes, habit trackers, and sidebar. Also decorative dots. Your days of the week in your bottom washi and washi strips. And Boo Bear. And I got this in the no foil, by the way, on this one. Your ombre full bow boxes, bow check boxes in half. Your bow flags and your corner flags and bows down here. And then your full flags, your glitter headers, your functionals, and some decorative icons. And last but not least, your headers of To Do Today and Littles, and also your food trackers and your asterisks. And that one was called Grease Vibes. So let me put that there. I'm going to end up running out of room, guys, I'll tell you. All right, so this was another order. You can see how big this one is. And this was the little bow that I got. Another little perfect bow. All right, so this one I got foil bow headers, and I got them in the rose gold, as you can see. And this one is called Relax. Thought that was beautiful. And then this one is rose gold palette with millennial pink. So this is millennial pink, and it's the rose gold. And the reason, that's one of the reasons why I got this to go with this, so that I didn't put the foil on this, but I'm going to add the foil this way. Isn't that beautiful? So pretty. Okay, so those are the foiled bow headers that are absolutely gorgeous. And then I got Naughty. It's a deluxe 6 sheet kit, Erin Condren vertical, and I got light with the rose gold. And I'm just trying to do these one at a time so you can enjoy them. So this is Naughty, and I'm a sailor's daughter, so that's one of the reasons I like this. So I love these full boxes. I love her, that she looks like a real person. And then the double box down here, and it says Sail Away. So here are your full boxes and your quarter boxes. Your quarter, half, habit trackers, your sidebar, appointment boxes, and dots. Sorry. Foiled heart check boxes, full in half, and then foiled 3 heart check flags with your corner flags and bows. Your day covers and your bottom washi and Boo Bear. Your foiled headers, To Do Today, Littles, and then Work, To Go, Buy, Spend, Workout. Your food trackers and your asterisk. And then your large flags that are full of foil, your glitter headers that are foiled, your decorative icons, foiled. And this one is called Naughty. How beautiful. I love these kits. I'm so in trouble. Okay, this one right here is Ready, Set, Summer. And I got it light in Erin Condren, and here are your full boxes, and it's in silver. Pretty. I love these full boxes right here, the 2 double boxes. And then your foiled quarter boxes, your half boxes, your sidebar, your appointment boxes, decorative dots, and habit trackers. Your foiled heart check boxes, your heart check flags, and corner flags and bows. Your day covers with your beautiful bottom washi and washi strips and Boo Bear. And then your large flags, 2 decorative boxes of women, and I love that they are natural sizes, either one, deco. And then your headers with your food trackers, asterisks, and glitter headers that are foiled as well. Isn't that beautiful? And that one's Ready, Set, Summer. So that's beautiful. And then the next one is called Spring Forest. And this was an a la carte where you could, it was $2 a sheet. So these are the sheets that I picked out for my $2. I think this kit is absolutely, positively gorgeous. So here's your full boxes that I picked out and the quarter boxes. I picked out a sheet of quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar, habit trackers, and decorative dots. The full check boxes or bow boxes and check flags and corner flags. The day covers and the bottom washi, which I think is absolutely adorable, and then these washi strips with Boo Bear. Your headers and your food icons and asterisks. Your full bow or your full flag, which I think is cute that there's characters in 3 of them. Your glitter headers and your decorative icons and deco. And then that one was called Spring Forest. Then I ordered, these are some things that I had to have. This one was pain level. So I thought I would go good in my Hobonichi, because that way I can write what I felt for my fibro. So I'm going to put that over here to the side. Then I ordered the doctor icons. Then I ordered some Hobonichis. This one is My Time. And then they're a la carte, so you can get 1 page or 2 pages, whichever one you want. And there's your day covers, your 3 heart checklist, your bottom washi, your full boxes, some check flags, and then she gives you the highs and the lows for the weather icons, 3 heart check boxes, the top washi, some deco, quarter boxes. So isn't that cute? And this one's called My Time. So I'm gonna put the hobos right here. See if I can do that. Then there's this one, it's the Rainy Day. And again, I got it in both. I love the rain boots, they're so cute. So that one's Rainy Day. Then I ordered the weather icons on this one too, for like the kits that don't have them. So I did that one. And then this kit right here I ordered, it's called Movie Night. I ordered it and it's in the silver kit. Got it in the Ericander vertical and it is light in silver. So there is your silver with your full boxes. Isn't that beautiful? Again, your quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar, appointment boxes, bow boxes with foils in them. Your foiled heart check boxes and flags and corner flags. Your bottom washi and day covers. Your headers with your meal trackers and asterisks. Your large flags, your glitter headers, your functional icons and the hearts and more, and then some deco. and that is Movie Night. So that one's beautiful. And then this one is Spark Joy. It was a 6-sheet kit for Erin Condor and Vertical, and it's in the silver. Look at that. All of my planner things sparkle. Is this not cute? Love it. There's your full boxes, your quarter boxes, and then your half boxes have joy in them. Some quarter boxes have joy. Your sidebar, your habit trackers, your appointment boxes, your full heart check boxes in half, and your heart check flags and corner flags. Your day covers and your bottom washi, both with foil. Your flags, large flags, your foiled glitter headers, your functional icons and the hearts and deco. And then your your headers, what to do today, littles, and your food and asterisks, all done in foil. And that one is Spark Joy. I told y'all I got a lot, just saying. And then I got these are your batteries and whether your battery life is running out, whether you're drained, running low, fully charged, and then it goes back down to drain, running low. So I got one in silver and then one in gold. Are those not the cutest? So I got those. And then I got these two kits. This one is done in the silver hobo kit. Let me do it like this. So there's your highs and lows, your habit trackers, your washi strips, and then your day covers, 3 heart check, your full boxes, and more washi strips. Isn't that beautiful? That's in like the marble. Then I got it done in the gold. Oh, rose gold. Excuse me. So that's what it looks like in rose gold. Covering everything up. And then last but not least, I got it, this one. And it's in the silver. And I love these flowers. Are those not the cutest? All right, guys, that is everything I got. I mean, that was a huge, huge haul. So definitely go check them out. Check out PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram. Make sure that you sign up for that so that you know when all this stuff goes on sale. She had a big sale this last weekend on Mother's Day, 40% off of a lot of stuff, and even a free kit. So definitely go check them out. And my code for DEK Designs is Cricket20. And if you use my name, Cricket, and the notes to seller, you get a foiled freebie. So you don't want to miss out on that. So go check them out. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell so you know that I am having another haul or plan with me up. And I hope to catch you back here again soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.